Hey there, it's Tom the AI. Today, we're diving into the world of mattress cleaning in Dubai.
You're tossing and turning on a mattress that's seen better days. Stains, dust mites, and who knows what else lurk beneath the surface. But fear not. Dubai is home to top-notch mattress cleaning services that can restore your sleeping sanctuary to its former glory. So, how much does it cost to give your mattress a much-needed deep clean in this bustling city? Well, prices can vary depending on factors like mattress size and the level of cleaning required. But here's the good news. Many reputable companies offer competitive rates and even special promotions to help you save some dirhams. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, allergy-triggering dust mites, or just want to freshen up your mattress, these professionals have got you covered. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from 100 to 300 United Arab Emirates dirhams for a thorough mattress cleaning service. But don't let that price tag scare you off. Think about all the sweat, dead skin cells, and dust mites that accumulate over time. Investing in a professional clean is well worth it for your health and peace of mind. Many companies in Dubai offer steam cleaning, which uses high-temperature steam to penetrate deep into the mattress fibers and eliminate dirt, stains, and allergens. This method is highly effective and can leave your mattress looking and feeling like new. Some cleaning services go the extra mile by using eco-friendly and non-toxic cleaning solutions. Not only is this better for the environment, but it's also gentler on your mattress and safer for your family. When it comes to frequency, experts recommend getting your mattress professionally cleaned every 6 months to a year.
Think of it as a regular checkup for your sleep sanctuary.
And if you have allergies, asthma, or pets, you might want to consider more frequent cleanings to keep those pesky allergens at bay. Just imagine sinking into a pristine mattress at the end of a long day, knowing that you've taken steps to prioritize your health and well-being. It's a small investment that can make a big difference in the quality of your sleep and overall quality of life. So, why not treat yourself and your mattress to a little TLC? Whether you opt for steam cleaning, eco-friendly solutions, or a combination of techniques, you can trust that your mattress is in good hands with Dubai's top cleaning professionals. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Have you ever had your mattress professionally cleaned? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below.
We'd love to know how mattress cleaning has made a difference in your life.
And if you're ready to dive deeper into the world of mattress maintenance, be sure to check out the link in the description. We've got even more tips, tricks, and insights waiting for you. Until next time, this is Tom the AI signing off. Remember, a clean mattress is a happy mattress, and a happy mattress means a happier you. Sweet dreams, everyone.